Waffles. Don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and ring the bell to get notified for every video. Hi, welcome to episode 3 of Cooking with the Krazy Chef. I'm your host, OffCrazyMan81. Today we'll be making waffles. So let's get started. Today's recipe, you'll be needing 2 cups of sifted flour, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 3/4 cups of milk, half a teaspoon of salt, 4 tablespoons of melted shortening, or if you don't have that, you could substitute vegetable oil, and 2 separated eggs, and a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Alright, so we're going to separate the eggs. So we'll need to cut the eggs open, obviously. We're going to put this into our egg separator over this measuring cup. Okay, so you'll definitely want to clean hands because sometimes the yolk will not want to detach from the egg whites, and you definitely want that separated. So you need to kind of extract it from it. Set that off to the side. You can get the egg whites off of it. Okay, then we're going to take our separated egg yolk and we're going to put it in there. I'm going to crack the next egg. Some of that. Grab one of the egg yolks. In there. That. Hold on to that, come on. Alright. Okay, now we have the eggs separated from the whites. We're going to move the whites off to the side for later. Then we're going to add our ingredients. So we'll be needing 2 cups of taking the flour out of here. Put it here. Well, sift this cup through. You want to sift it that way you don't get clumps of this flour. Okay, we'll get the next cup. Ready? Got another cup right there. Let me sift it through. Okay. We need half a teaspoon. We need half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Right. Half teaspoon of salt. 4 teaspoons of baking powder. Okay. Then we need 1 3/4 cups of milk. We're gonna grab our thing. We're having the half-pint jugs of milk. Still need 2 because each one contains 1 cup of milk, or half pint. This one. Alright, what's next? Half teaspoon. Alright, then we need 4 tablespoons of melted shortening. Okay, alright. So, we'll grab our vegetable oil, which is our substitute for the melted shortening. I have a tablespoon measuring here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then, alright, then we grab our whisk. We're going to mix it all together. And make sure you mix it really good. Or else you're going to end up with like chunks of flour and here and other chunks of other stuff that we put in here there. Just like, and then your waffles will not be good. You're probably wondering what we're doing with our egg whites over here. We're going to take those and we're going to put them in this mixer. We're going to put them in there. Okay. We're going to plug our mixer in. Forgot to erase that. Now what we want to do is wait for it to get a cream look. Okay? Cut. Nice fluffy cream texture, so we're going to get this out of here. We're going to add the egg whites into the waffles, the waffle mix. There. What you want to do is you want to take your whisk out and you want to fold it over. Like this. You want your waffles to be nice and fluffy, because fluffy waffles are the best. Alright. Now we have that fluffed. Move over to the waffle iron. Or, well, the waffle maker. I don't know why I call it a waffle iron. I'll make sure it's dry. And we're going to grab a little bit of paper towel. One sheet should be enough. What you're going to do is you're going to take your Pam spray. You don't want to get it over. You just want to get it in the waffle grates.